In this video, we will feature the Aizawa APL 8025 press brake and the startup sequence for the APL IC 3000 CNC control. Once the main power is turned on and the computer boots up, you will be looking at this screen. Please power on, which you do so with this key switch. This particular machine is equipped with a safety circuit, which is why the e-stop button is flashing. We come to the side of the control box, press the emergency release key. The button is no longer flashing, and we follow the simple instructions on the screen for referencing the axes. Pump start, key switch in inching, foot switch up or open until it beeps. The back gauge is referencing automatically, and then we close the beam until such time as we hear the controlled beep indicating we found our top dead center. The screen will then acknowledge the fact that the back gauge calibration is completed. From this point, we can go to calibrating our tools. The die calibration button. Again, we simply follow the instructions on the screen. Tools are already in the machine. It can be any setup. Effectively, all we're doing with die calibration is we're teaching the machine where the bottom of the V die is in order to have a default stop position to avoid crashing tools. We simply step on the close foot switch. The ram will come down in slow speed until such time tools bottom out. A pressure sensor in the hydraulic block will close. It will hold its position for 2 or 3 seconds. It beeps as an acknowledgement, and the beam returns to top dead center. At this point, again, we can see die calibration is now completed. Please note that the actual die calibration number is now registered, and it will compare this value with the tooling selection you make in your program when you start programming your part. This concludes the initial setup of the machine.